super excited for today's video. I've received the June Ipsy bag and we're gonna see what's in there. We're gonna try everything on. Do these Ipsy unbagging videos every month if you're interested. This is a monthly makeup subscription, $10 a month, and it's amazing. You get to try amazing brands. So let's look at the bag. Ooh, look how pretty. Actually, I had looked at my profile to see what they were gonna send me, and I was so depressed because this month they send out 7 different bag colors. They did a collaboration with Tetris, and that's why it looks like this. And my bag looked like it was gonna be like an orange or something like that, and I was really sad because I thought all the colors looked really beautiful, but I just didn't want that one. So I'm glad I got this color. Look how pretty. Beautiful. It feels really nice. That's like one of my favorite parts of this, that they also include a bag plus the 5 little items, makeup items to try. Alright, so let's open this up. And it's nice and pink inside, and it just says Tetris all over. The reason I just have some of my makeup on is because I'm going to try everything on. Welcome to the block party. This is just a regular Ipsy bag. They do have the Glam bag plus, but I don't get that. That one's $25. First item we have here, something from Benefit Cosmetics. I've actually seen a lot of people use this, but I've never used it. I'm really excited to see. Is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this is a mini version. This is a 0.03 ounce, and they send this to me in the color Warm Golden Blonde, and it's number 2, so I'm hoping this will be a good shade for me. You know, I always use my dip pomade to do my brows, but we're gonna try this out. So I'll read a little bit about this to you. So it says, Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow. The bolder brows of your dreams are here. This water-resistant gel is loaded with teeny microfibers that will fill in sparseness, add a definition, and shape your brows while looking totally natural. Brow shaping newbie, the tapered brush makes application super easy. You know, I used to use something else before the pomade, and it was from Benefit. Maybe it was this? I'm not sure. We'll try to insert the price if you were to get the full size of this, how much it would be. It says it volumizes, tames, and tints brows. Natural looking and buildable. Look how cute it looks. I know a lot of people love this, and I love the Ipsy bag too because you get so many items that are like travel size, and I love minis. I would say, like, if anything, if I don't like how this looks alone, I would do my pomade and then this one to like the last step to like tame the hairs. Just get a little spoolie like this, and let me just comb through one of them and we'll see how it looks. That doesn't look bad, but it is pretty light compared to what it looks like with my pomade. My brows are microbladed, but I think the color does look good. But this is definitely darker. Just fill in this one. So I was gonna say I was gonna go in with the pomade, but you know what? Let's leave it like this. Okay, the next thing we have here is one of my favorite things to receive, and it is a brush. And this one is by Elizabeth Mott. I've never received one from this brand, but look at the handle. It's so cute and pink and girly. And this one is an all over shadow. That's why I don't have any eye makeup on. I did already prime the lids, but this is what it looks like. It looks nice and fluffy, but like dense as well. Like it's really gonna pack the color on really nicely. I am just gonna use my MAC one first to like just put a color all over the lid. So it says this brand's name comes from 2 trendy street names in New York City. So it's no surprise that the brush is as chic as it is functional. And as if the pretty pink handle wasn't enough, it has super soft, densely packed bristles that make shadow blending seamless and streak free. Super cute. And you can never have enough brushes. I'm going to use this palette today, just do a quick look, nothing too major. It's the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. It's going to use a color for all over the lid, which is going to be this one right here. I'm going to pack it on really quickly. Transition shade. And then we'll go with an all over the lid shade with that brush. I'm going to go with this color here, Lady. Oh, I like how that picks up the color. Very nice. I'm just going to put this in the outer corner. This is perfect for packing. So like your MAC 239. I'm just gonna go with this color here called High Tea. Another thing we have is a eyeliner. You know how much I love liquid liners, but we'll see if I can make this work. This one is by jenzbeautystyle or something like that. I don't know how you say it. This is what it looks like. This is a felt tip eyeliner pencil in black. This brand is all about drama and intensity, as you can tell from the quick drying, long-lasting, and waterproof formula. Once you lay down your lines, they won't smudge or fade. Application is also a cinch thanks to the precision tip. Also try to insert the price of this here, but the packaging is very pretty. Professional Art Makeup Liquid Eyeliner 24 Hour. This is made in China and you get 0.06 ounces. Ultra lasting formula, jenzbeautystyle. That's what it looks like. I'm not used to doing my eyeliner with a felt tip, but let's try. Let me try and see what I can do for a wing. So I don't think it came out that bad. The wing was pretty hard for me. I feel like that took me forever. I love how nice and rich and black it looks. So we don't have any mascara products, so I am gonna put mascara and do my lashes, and we'll continue with the rest of the products. Okay, so let's continue. So we have a lip product here. It's really nice. It's Tetris themed. Tetris X Ipsy lip balm, and look how pretty that packaging is. How pretty, and the different colors is so cute. It says this is cruelty free. Look at this. You see, this was the color of the bag that I had in my profile that they were gonna send me, and I was so sad because I really wouldn't have liked this color. Like, this is beautiful. This, not my taste. It just says Tetris right there. Let me read about this. So it says Tetris X Ipsy Lip Balm in L33. We partnered with the iconic video games Tetris on the 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. Made with nourishing jojoba oil, their sheer peach balm will coat your lips in long-lasting hydration. Apply this balm alone or bare lips for a touch of light peach color, or wear under peach pink matte lip colors to keep lips hydrated and prevent flaking. Open this up. Ooh, look how pretty that packaging is. And not only the packaging, but look at this lip, how it looks. It has a little dot in there of a different color, so it's like a, what is that, a pink, a purple? So let's see how it looks. Hopefully it doesn't come out orange. I don't want orange lips. But it's a lip balm, so I'm expecting it to be really light. Oh, that smells nice. I don't know how much I love the color, but it's definitely beautiful. Hydrating. It feels super hydrating. Wow. This actually smells so good. Oh my god, I love it. I would have liked a different color, but will do. Wipe this off, and you must be like, why are you gonna wipe it off? Well, because we have another lip product, and this one is actually a lipstick. And this is by the brand Real Her, and it's called Sorry Not Sorry. Can I say I love that name? This is in the color Rose Pink. Let me read it on the pamphlet. It says, Real Her moisturizing lipstick and Sorry Not Sorry. We love how every Real Her product is inscribed with an empowering quote that reminds their fans how fearless and powerful they are. A blend of jojoba oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, this rosy pink lip color is beyond creamy and moisturizing. This is also made in China. You get for this one 0.07 ounces. Never tried anything from this brand, so this is the packaging, a black and white packaging. Pretty interesting, right? Here it just says Sorry Not Sorry. Here it says the brand Real Her. You have the shade color, which is rose pink. Let's open this up. A nice, just black matte packaging. Ooh, look at that. How skinny and beautiful. It says Real Her right there. This one doesn't really have a scent, so how pretty that is. Oh yeah, totally up my alley. Pretty shade, super pink. This is really so different. It's so skinny. It's really cute. It's a nice little different design. This rose pink feels so creamy and comfortable on the lips. It feels amazing and moisturizing. You know what color bag you received down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.